most of the time, employers don't have enough time to spend on applicants. So they outsource this work. They say, okay, we want 10 employees for this role. You as a recruitment agency, find the correct resource for us. So they will approach you and they won't mention who they are calling for, which company. They will mention their recruitment agency company. I'm calling from, they will mention the name and they will say, I'm calling from X, Y, and Z recruitment company. So you know that it's not the employer, it's a recruitment agency. And they say, we have a job available for, they won't mention the company name, for my client. Okay, our client is based in London. This much is the salary package or contract, this much is the day rate. They're looking for cloud engineer. They want someone who has got some experience. Then what they will do, before forwarding your CV to the employer, they will try to match and check if your profile matches with the requirement of the employer. They say, okay, do you have experience in CloudWatch? They know nothing about technical aspect. They don't know anything, just reading the job description from the employer. And they're trying to see if you have mentioned those words in your CV. If they see those words in your CV, then they call you. Just they want to hear from you as well. You have mentioned it, but how confident are you in mentioning those words? Okay, I know CloudWatch, I know S3, I know migration, whatever skill set. Then they see that, okay, this guy, he knows what he's talking about. They just get the feelings. Okay, he was confident, she was confident, okay. Then they forward that to the employer. Employer then, recruiter will confirm your timing for your interview. You can take time. They say, how quick are you available for the interview? You can say, I'm available in next 2 days. Okay? Then the timing is arranged. It's a simple, normal process. They set the time. Usually it's telephonic interview. They don't call for the face-to-face, it's telephonic interview. You receive a call from the technical team. It's usually more than one person, or it could be one person taking the interview, and they ask you for your experience or what you know, your knowledge, and if they like it, they will go for the next round. Next round could be a face-to-face one. They might tell you, okay, can you come next week, this time, to our office. We go to office, and you meet the interviewer who interviewed you in the first round, technical round, and there could be senior director there or a senior manager there, or it could be a HR team there, and they will interview you again, face-to-face. They will try to grill or go more deeper than telephonic. So what they do usually in telephonic interview, the recruiter as well, they will select multiple candidates, not only you, and forward it. That's screened in the first round. First technical round, they will select multiple candidates. Okay? And they will call all of them, those will be selected for the second round. Now in second round, they will finalize. Okay, we got 3 people, 3 candidates are good. They passed, they did very well in the first interview, we're happy with that. Let's go for the second round. So all 3 of them are called. Now they will see who is more better in all 3 of them, who is best. So give your best shot in the interviews and be confident. So when I was in this phase of looking for jobs, I was told, don't go for the interview either telephonic or face-to-face with the expecting a job there straight away. You're going for initial first 10 interviews to gain knowledge, what they ask. So you are stress-free. You don't have any stress. Because if you have that fear that, will I get this job, or it's a nice job, will I get it, or they will refuse me? You're in stress now.
Well, what if you go for the experience and they give you the job?
That's very good. Look, ask him how many interviews he